In the first video, we covered some of the hides for geocaching. You know, typical, whatever kind of container you can come up with. You know, there's just no end to the amount of stuff you can come up with. I like this one. These are $1, okay? And you can put a micro container down inside there. It still functions as a light. You stick it in a flower bed somewhere, in a park or whatever. This is another variation of the bottle cap with that you bury in the ground. Has a micro container in it. Another micro container glued to the bottom of a piece of driftwood. Micro glued to a golf ball. You stick it in the ground. There's just no end. Go to the Goodwill store and little candle holder. These are popular. You can hook magnets to the back of them and stick them to a utility box. What else? This is a rock with a matchbox in it. Put it in the ground. I mean, you can be as devious as you want, or you can be as fun as you want. Ceramic eggs. But one thing we didn't cover is what West Virginia Tim calls a gadget cache. Let me show you what a gadget cache is. I actually built one, and that's it right there. So let's go take a look at that. So once I found West Virginia Tim's channel on YouTube and saw the stuff he was doing, I'm like, man, I have got to build one of these. This is actually the first design that I came up with, just on a piece of paper, scratched it out, general idea about what I wanted it to do and how I wanted it to function, and it took me a day to build this thing. Alright, so I'm going to put the camera on a tripod and show you what all it does. So the deal with this one is you have several different knobs and things. There's a knob on this side, knob here, knob here, a drawer here, and on the bottom is another door with a padlock on it and a combo. So the top screwed down. You really shouldn't be taking things apart, but if you wanted to, you'd have to have a special Torx bit to do it. So you can't just pull this drawer open. Something's holding it in place. You have to figure out what combination of these knobs here might let that drawer release. So this is a spoiler alert. If you are in my area in northwest Louisiana, or you intend on hunting this cache at some point in the future, it hasn't been placed yet, don't watch any further, because I'm getting ready to give it up, because it's difficult. I've let several people try to solve this puzzle and they can't do it. It was at one point harder than it is now. I've disabled some parts of the locking features on it to make it easier. So right now you have to unscrew till it stops, this knob. Push this knob down and then pull this knob out. The drawer is spring loaded, so it automatically shuts. Once you pull it out, you can look inside and see the combination that'll be used on this lock. Once you dial in your combination, then you can get to the cache. Which is a container with prizes in it. There's a log in there. You sign your log, put the container back, shut the door, lock it, push the door back in, and reset everything. You good to go. All right, so that is a Gadget cache. Run across one of these, good luck. Thanks for watching.